In today's video, I'll teach you how to sign in Link to Windows app. So first of all, open Link to Windows application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here, you'll be able to sign in to your account. For that, tap on this option, sign in. Now after you do that, you'll be able to sign into your account using the Microsoft account. Simply enter the credentials of the Microsoft account that is logged in your Windows. Simply enter the credentials of the Microsoft account that is logged in your Windows. After you do that, you'll be able to sign in to your app. Or you can also sign in using the QR code. For that, first of all, in your PC, open the phone link application. After you do that, select the option for Android and the QR code will be generated. Now what you have to do is tap on this option, sign in using the QR code on your PC. Now after you do that, you'll be able to scan the QR code. Simply place your phone camera in front of the QR code generated in your PC. Now a code will be shown on your PC. What you have to do is enter that code over here. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be signed in to the app. So that is how you sign in Link to Windows app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.